how to log into Saga Car Insurance. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log into your Saga Car Insurance account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to type for saga.co.uk, and after you search it, you'll be able to find the official site of Saga Insurance from here. And after you come on the interface, you'll have to just tap on the option My Saga, or you can also indicate it by the profile icon. So simply from here, you'll have to just go with that option. Alright, so after you come on this interface, you can easily sign in or create your My Saga account. So from here, you'll have to just provide your email address here, and after you provide your email address, you'll have to just tap on the option Next. Alright, tap on Next. Okay, so as you can see, I have received a verification code on my Google ID. So from there, you can easily verify with your Google ID, and from there you'll have to just enter your Saga Car Insurance account password, and after you confirm with your Saga Car Insurance password, you'll be able to easily log in or sign in with your Saga Car Insurance account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.